If you are still paying for mockups or wasting time with clunky PSDs, stop. Today I am showing you 3 websites that give you premium looking mockups for free. No Photoshop needed and no sign up required. Tool 1, Smart Mockups. The first one is smartmockups.com. These ones clean, fast and gives you device mockups, print materials, packaging, everything. You just upload your design, it instantly shows it in real environments and you can download in high quality for free. Smart Mockups also integrates with Canva if you are a creator. Tool 2nd, Mockup Bro. Next is mockupbro.com, a super minimal, no login mockup site. You choose a template, upload your image and boom, you are done in 10 seconds. Not a huge library but clean options, especially for presentations and flyers. Tool 3, Mockup World. Last is mockupworld.co. These ones different. It curates the best free PSD mockup from all over the web. No sketchy downloads. And yes, commercial use allowed for most of them. You will need Photoshop for this one, but the quality is unmatched. All 3 tools are 100% free, no watermark and free feel premium. If you want no Photoshop, go for Smart Mockups or Mockup Bro. If you are okay with PSDs, Mockup World is a gold mine. Comment below which one you will try first and I will drop a full tutorial on it.